Hello friends, welcome to Optometry Fans YouTube channel, and today we are coming with very important topics, anatomy of the conjunctiva. In these topics we are seeing the detailed information about the structure of conjunctiva, parts of the conjunctiva, blood supply and nerve supply to the conjunctiva, how to classify the different part. So before going to next, I request to please like, share, subscribe Optometry Fans YouTube channel, and also visit www.optometry.fans for more information. So without wasting time, we are going to see the video. So friend, first of all, the anatomy of the conjunctiva. What is how the structure of the conjunctiva? The conjunctiva is a transparent mucous membrane which line the posterior surface of the eyelid and anterior surface of the eyeball. The name conjunctiva has been given to this mucous membrane due to the fact that it joins the eyeball to the eyelid. So friend, in this name, the conjunctiva is name given due to the its joined to both eyeball to eyelid. It stretches from the lid margin to limbus and encloses the complex space called as conjunctival sac, which is open in front of palpebral fissure. Here friend, you can see the conjunctiva. The conjunctiva below the eyelid is called as a palpebral conjunctiva, and conjunctiva you can see on the sclera is called as an bulbar conjunctiva. Parts of the conjunctiva. What are the different parts of the conjunctiva? There are three main basic parts of the conjunctiva. What is the main part? Palpebral conjunctiva, bulbar conjunctiva, and conjunctival fornix. The first of all, these are the three main part: palpebral conjunctiva, bulbar conjunctiva, and conjunctival fornix. The palpebral conjunctiva is subdivided into marginal conjunctiva, tarsal conjunctiva, and orbital conjunctiva. We will see its detail. Here is also the diagrammatic structure of the parts of the conjunctiva. Here are friend, you can see the what is the main part: palpebral conjunctiva, bulbar conjunctiva, and conjunctival fornix. The palpebral conjunctiva is also divided into marginal conjunctiva, tarsal conjunctiva, and orbital conjunctiva. Bulbar conjunctiva, it's subdivided like limbal conjunctiva, and conjunctival fornix, superior fornix, inferior fornix, lateral fornix, and medial fornix. So first of all friend, we are seeing the what is a palpebral conjunctiva. It lines the lid and can be subdivided into marginal, tarsal, orbital conjunctiva. Marginal conjunctiva. It extends from the lid margin to about 2 mm on the back of the lid to shallow groove, the sulcus subtarsalis. It is actually a transitional zone between skin and the conjunctiva proper. Tarsal conjunctiva is a thin, transparent, and highly vascular. It is firmly adherent to the whole tarsal plate in the upper lid. In the lower lid, it is adherent only to half width of the tarsus. The tarsal gland are seen through it as a yellow streak. Orbital conjunctiva. The orbital part of palpebral conjunctiva lies loose between the tarsal plate and fornix. Bulbar conjunctiva. It is a thin, transparent, and lies loose over the underlying structure and thus can be moved easily. It is separated from anterior sclera by episcleral tissue and Tenon's capsule. A 3 mm rise of the bulbar conjunctiva around the cornea is called as a limbal conjunctiva. In the area of the limbus, the conjunctiva, tenon capsule, and the episcleral tissue are fused into dense tissue which is strongly adherent to the underlying corneoscleral junction. At the limbus, the epithelium of the conjunctiva becomes continuous with that of the cornea. Conjunctival fornix. It is a continuous circular cul-de-sac which is broken only on the medial side by truncle and the plica semilunaris. Conjunctival fornix joined the bulbar conjunctiva with the palpebral conjunctiva. It can be subdivided into superior, inferior, medial and lateral fornices. Structure of the conjunctiva. Histologically, the conjunctiva consists of three layers, namely epithelial, adenoid layer and fibrous layer. Glands of the conjunctiva. Here are the glands of the conjunctiva. There are two types of gland, mucin secretory gland and accessory lacrimal gland. So mucin secretory gland is goblet cell, crypts of Henle's, glands of Mans. And accessory lacrimal gland include glands of Krause and glands of Wolfrings. These are the glands of the conjunctiva. So first of all, mucin secretory gland. Mucin secretory gland include goblet cell, crypts of Henle's. The goblet cell, the unicellular gland and located within the epithelial of conjunctiva. Crypts of Henle's, the present in the tarsal conjunctiva. Glands of Mars found in the limbal conjunctiva. These glands secrete mucus, which is essential for wetting the cornea and conjunctiva. Next is accessory lacrimal gland. Accessory lacrimal gland include glands of Krause present in subconjunctival connective tissue of fornices. About 42 in the upper fornix and 8 in the lower fornix. Glands of Wolfrings present along the upper border of the superior tarsus and along the lower border of inferior tarsus.